Alright man, since I did my ACV wash, I decided to do 2 videos in one, man. Why not give another tutorial to my niggas, man? I gotta give y'all another one. So first of all, you wanna tie your dreads up if you got long dreads, of course, cause you don't wanna get the baking soda in your hair. I mean, it's not bad. It's good for your hair, as y'all seen what it did to my hair after that ACV rinse. Gave me that. Bow. Hello. Alright, but all you do is put water in your hands a little bit so it stays like creamy. You see that? Creamy. That's baking soda. And all you do, make sure your face is damp or like you washed it. Don't wash it with soap, just water. And then you just rub this in like so. Make sure you get every little spot. This by far is the best facial for me. I do the black mask too. The black mask is really good, but this is like a everyday thing, baking soda. You want to do it every day. When you first do it, it's gonna open up your pores, so you're gonna see your bumps more, but don't stress it. That only means that it's working. So you wash your hands. So when you do apply the baking soda, make sure you cover all the areas. Don't leave nothing unattended or nothing like without baking soda on it. So now you just wait till it dry. It's gonna get hard. You're gonna feel it. Alright y'all, once it's hard, this is how it gets. It gets whiter, and you can feel like if you do this, it's tight on your face. Once that starts to happen, all you want to do is simply wash it off. Bow. Hello. Hey, I know y'all see don't expect your face to look beautiful or smooth right away. It's gonna happen with time. Mine's look a little smooth right now because I said mine's look smooth right now because I constantly do this every day. So you have to be consistent and it will come, man. Thank you again for tuning in to T-Wild channel, man. Y'all know we stay litty on this channel, and we gonna start bringing more tutorials, man. That's it. More tutorials, more hair tutorials. Y'all drop in the comments what hair tutorial y'all want. Trust me, not just cause I got dreads, I can't give you tips about other tutorials, other hair types. I'm a hairstylist. I got you. So drop them comments. Let me know what you want to see next. And hit that like button like always. And welcome to the family, man. Subscribe if you're new. And we out of here.